Part 3. Ball should land on the man's head. Okay, I'm throwing it. Afrin got 2 points. Kushi got 1 point. Okay, start. They should got 1 point. I should. Okay, just miss, man. Just miss. I'll take it.
Hey, you're not very public. You're very public.
Hey, Telugu man. Okay. Okay. Its ball is going. English during English నాకు రాదు గైస్. నేను డ్యూరింగ్ యాప్ నుంచి నేర్చుకున్నాను. ఓకే గుండు నాకు రక. Where is it?
Properly.
Okay, Kushi was out. We are knowing them. ఓకే నథింగ్ విల్ బి. ఏం కాదు గైస్, మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి వేద్దాం. బాల్ అసలు బెడకాయ తగలమంటే ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది. ఇప్పుడే బాగా చేద్దాం. ఓకే, యువర్ రెడీనా? ఎస్ అండి, ఎస్. ఎక్కడి నుంచి నేర్చుకున్నావు? ఇట్రండి కొంచెం ఇట్రండి. తెలుగు ఇద్దరు దిక్కు. Okay, go there. Oh, just it is failing. Okay, how many times it is not landing? Okay, Afrin is the winner.
One time we can try now. Please.
Afrin got 2 points. This girl got 1 point.
One time we can try. Let me get 1 point.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Who got the first prize? Let me see. Who is coming to here? You can stand here. Come here and stand. It is
Me.
hey girl. Okay. It's a perfect shot, but it is not there. The final winner is. Okay, I will come. Okay, now winner is divide like this. Divide. Okay. Come. Nana, come here. Simon, come on. In. Now it's time to guess who is the winner. This guy is the winner. Okay, what about presenting we are going to? Okay, come. Again come. It's a joke. Now stand on it. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ షేర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి గైస్. దిస్ గర్ల్ నేమ్ ఇస్
Subscribe.